Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
I will show the only reliable way to change autocorrect across your keyboard. First, back up any custom words to iCloud or Google Drive to avoid loss. Next, decide whether you will adjust system settings or use text replacements and personal dictionary entries. This method uses official settings and shortcut entries so changes persist across updates. Follow each step slowly and verify results by typing sample sentences. If you need to revert, restore from your backup and remove shortcuts one by one. On iPhone, open Settings, then choose General and tap Keyboard to begin. Turn off autocorrection if you want to stop automatic replacements globally. To add custom entries, tap Text Replacement, then the plus icon, and enter your phrase and shortcut. Use exact capitalization and punctuation to force autocorrect behavior for specific words. Test the new entry in Messages and Notes to confirm it works correctly. If an unwanted suggestion appears, edit or delete the replacement immediately in Text Replacement. Restarting the keyboard can help apply changes. On Android with Gboard, open Settings, then System, Languages, and Input to continue. Tap Virtual Keyboard, choose Gboard, and select Text Correction to access autocorrection. Adjust the autocorrection slider or add words to Personal Dictionary for specific terms. For Samsung keyboards, open General Management and select Language and Input instead. If you use third-party keyboards, change settings inside the app or install a different keyboard from the Play Store. Back up your personal dictionary to your account to preserve changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.